Hey there, Mama Dora Magic. How's it going? It's Mr. Morrison again today. We're going to be talking about multiplication as resizing. And all that means, it's just fancy term to saying if I multiply something by something less than 1, the answer is going to be less. If it's equal to 1, it stays the same. And if I'm multiplying by something that is greater than 1, it is going to get larger. And that sounds pretty darn simple. And you don't actually have to solve anything. You just have to remember that if you're multiplying by less than 1, it's going to get smaller. Equal to 1 stays the same. Everyone knows that. Like 2 times 1 is 2. So everyone knows that if you multiply by 1 or something equal to 1, it's going to stay the same. And if you multiply it by something larger than 1, the answer is going to be larger. And again, you don't have to actually solve it. The whole purpose is not to solve it, but to mentally know that less than 1 goes down. Equal to 1 stays the same. More than 1 goes up. So let's look at this one. So we got 2 and 1/3. So let's go 2 and 1/3, or 2 times 1/3, I mean. 2 times 1/3, and then 2. So we got 2 and 1/3 and 2. So we know the 2's are canceled out, so we're going to focus on this 1/3. So is this 1/3 more than, less than, or equal to 1? So this 1/3 right here, is it more than, less than, or equal to 1? It's less than, because we can prove that. We can draw our box. We're only going to color one of these in. So that's less than 1 whole, right? So since it's less than 1 whole, we know the answer is going to have to be less than the original number, which is 2. So the actual answer is going to be 2 is larger. So the answer is 2 times 1/3 is going to be less than. And that's how we got the answer B, because it's less than, because we're multiplying by something less than 1. So let's keep going. Okay. Number two. So we got 2 or 6 times 1 and 1/2. So 6 times 1 and 1/2. And then we have 6 over here. So the 6's are canceled out, so we're not going to focus on the 6's. We're going to focus on this 1/2, or 1 and 1/2. So let's ask ourselves, is 1 and 1/2 more, less than, or equal to 1? What you thinking? You're thinking more? You're thinking more? Are you serious? Great job, because you got the right answer. Because guess what? 1 and 1/2 would be 1 whole, and then 1 extra half. So that's more than 1. So it's more than 1, you know? So it's got to be greater. So guess what? The correct answer is A. And what's this B? Cannot be compared to. Did Mr. Morrison, Ms. Dyer, Miss Moe, or Miss Stoll tell you that? No, we didn't teach you that. Cannot be compared to. Not. So the answer is going to be greater than. Because again, this answer is larger than 1. So is it A? Yes, it is. And great job, guys. You knew it was A. Great job. So what about this one? Ooh, this one's going to be tricky. What are you thinking? Study this. 3 times 3/3. So 3 times 3/3. We're going to compare 3. Okay. So we got the 3. So we know we're not going to focus on this. Well, I don't need that right now. So we're going to focus mostly on this 3/3 right here. So 3/3. Is it cannot be compared to, equal to, less than, or greater than? You think greater than? 3/3. So let's think. So that's 1, 2, 3. So that's 1 whole. It's like a whole. 3/3. Top number, bottom number, numerator, denominator, both the same. So that means this is equivalent to 1. Look, it almost makes the exact shape of a 1. So that's 3 times 1. And then 3 is 3 times 1. How does that compare to 3? They're equal. Yeah. So even though this doesn't say a 1, 3/3 is equal to 1. So that's why they're going to be equal. And that's why the correct answer is B. And look what you did. We are guaranteed at least a 3. And I know, good job, guys. You rocked it out. I'm so proud of you. And way to go. Super proud of you guys. And again, if you need anything, let me know. Let Miss Dyer or Miss Mo know, and we will help you. So again, good luck and thank you for watching today's video.